Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize Shopify Studio theme footer. So the first step you need to do is to open Shopify, go on to the online store. So once you are in the online store, you simply need to select the studio theme. So now you can see that this theme is activated. Then you need to click on customize. So once you are on that page, here you can see header, template, and you need to scroll down and here you can see footer. Here you can see email sign up, footer, add section. If you want to add any section, click on that and you can easily add any section that you want. So I do not want to add section. So here is email sign up. Then you need to click on footer here and this window will be open on this left side. From here you can change the color. So I want in orange color for example. Here you can see. If you want, you can show email sign up in the footer like this. If you do not want, then you need to click here to remove. Here you can see follow on shop. If you want to enable follow on shop, you simply need to check mark this and that will appear here. And here you can see social media icons. If you want to show, you simply need to check this box. Country and region selector. If you want to show your country, you need to enable this option as well. And that is the language selector. And it is the payment method. If you want to show, you can use this as well. And if you want, you can show policy links in the footer as well. And if you want to increase the spacing of the top margin, you need to increase that like this. Here you can see that it is now increasing. And if you want, you can increase top padding as well, and you can increase bottom padding as well from here. So this is the customization that you can do. And if you want, you can here you can see theme setting that you can do from here. If you want, you can upload image, description, headline. So it is up to you whatever change you want to do in your footer. So this is a process how you can customize Shopify Studio theme footer. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.